France comes in a first place of World Tourism Ranking, attracts 81 million foreign visitors every year. The cities like Paris, Toulouse, Lyon, Bordeaux and many others have a high cultural interest, have a 37 World Heritage Sites in total. France is also known for its pleasant climate, magnificent beaches, castles, historical museums, remarkable gardens and parks. 10 most popular attractions of France. Basilica of Sacred Heart of Paris, one of the most recognizable landmarks in Paris. A Roman Catholic church located at Montmartre Hill, which is the highest point in Paris. This basilica is dedicated to Sacred Heart of Jesus. It was designed by French architect Paul Abadie. Construction took place between 1875 to 1914. Travertine stone, which is special type of limestone formed by action and hot springs, which are used for construction of this cathedral. It discharges calcite slowly and steadily so that it remains white even in a harsh weathering conditions. This cathedral includes a large meditation hall with the fountain. Tourists can be breathtaking panoramic view of the Paris city from the top of a dome of Basilica of Sacred Heart. Pont du Gard Bridge, Nîmes. It is a giant ancient Roman bridge located in the city of Rome in southern France, across the Garden River. The bridge have a length of 50 kilometers, built it in the 1st century. It is used by an ancient Romans to carry a water from Uzes commune of France to Nîmes. It is also listed within UNESCO's World Heritage Sites. Yellow limestone, bridge blocks and calcium deposits are used for the construction of this bridge. Pont du Gard Bridge has a 3-tier arches having height of 48.8 meter. Until 6th century, an ancient Romans brings 2 lakh cubic meter of water every day for a home of a Nîmes. Later, it is also used as a toll bridge. Arc de Triomphe, Paris. Arc de Triomphe is the most popular triumphal arch in the Paris city. The construction of this monument was ordered by French Emperor Napoleon in 1806 to honor the warriors, those who fought with him in a number of wars. It got inaugurated in the year 1836. Construction had been stopped number of times after abdication of Emperor Napoleon. Ancient Astellar style was used for the construction of this monument. The names of all wars of a First French Republic and Napoleonic Wars also written on the white wall of this monument. Tomb of an unknown soldier from World War I also kept under the vault of this monument. Verdon Gorge Canyon, Alpes de Haute Province. It is also known as the Grand Canyon of Europe. Located in the Alpes de Haute Province in the southern France. This river canyon is about 25 kilometers in length and cliffs have a height of 700 meters. It is much known for its turquoise green color of water of Verdon River within that area due to minerals of rock and glacial sources. The rims of this river canyon offers magnificent view of surrounding places, also attracts a large number of tourists to drive. Kayaking in a green colored water of a Verdon River also becomes unforgettable experience for the tourist. Hiking, canoeing, paragliding, rafting and climbing are the other oft-carted activities in a Verdon Gorge Canyon. Chateau de Chambord, Loire at Cher. The largest uncompleted chateau in a Loire valley within a central France. It is the finest example of a French Renaissance architecture. Interestingly, the entire manor house is surrounded by a largest forest park of the nation. It was built for a king, Francois I, as a hunting lodge for him. Now it is one of the popular tourist attraction and World Heritage Sites of France. Starting the construction in the year 1519, it took 28 years to get into a today's form. But Chateau never get completed by a wake of a French Revolution. The internal section of Chateau have of French and Italian style in grouping of rooms together in the suite. There are 440 rooms, 80 staircases and 280 fireplaces are within this chateau. It also features a different types of towers and chimneys. The guided tour at chateau offers the tourist chances to explore all important sections within the chateau. We'll also get clear information about a method of a construction and design style. Saint Michael Normandy. It is one of the most recognizable landmark and popular religious site in Europe, located in the island of Normandy. The island is the best known for the abbey that occupies rocks in a 1 kilometer in diameter. The abbey, church and monastery located in the top section of Saint Michael. Bottom section includes stores, halls and houses. This site attracts more than 3 million visitors every year. Another World Heritage Site of France, it is easy for the pilgrimage to reach the abbey as Saint Michael located only 6,000 meters away from the land. Visitors can reach a top galley on a roof of the abbey through much known less staircase. Have to climb 900 steps to reaching at the top of the abbey. Special how at a museum of a Saint Michael let the visitors to know about the history and construction of this great monument. The Louvre, Paris. One of the largest museums in the world, located in Paris. The impressive art collection of this museum make it as most visited museum in the world. There are 35,000 prehistoric objects, includes Egyptian antiques, crown jewels and old paintings and ancient sculptures. The museum is actually a part of a Louvre palace, a Baroque style palace date back to medieval period. The Louvre Museum was opened at first time in the year 1763. Later, Emperor Napoleon added a large number of artworks to museum. The contribution from following French emperor also increased the collection of the historical objects in the museum. There are 8 main departments within this museum to display the object. Eastern antiquities, Egyptian antiquities, Greek, Etruscan, Roman antiquities, Islamic art, sculptures, decorative arts, paintings, prints and drawings are the 8 main departments of Louvre Museum. Display of objects spanning from 6th century BC to 19th century AD. The Louvre Pyramid at the entrance is another important attraction of this museum, which is designed by the architect IMP. Palace of Versailles, Ile-de-France region. Palace of Versailles is the largest palace of France, also known as Château de Versailles. The first part of this palace was built by Louis XIII king in 1624 as a hunting lodge. Later, Louis XIV, the successor of the Louis XIII, expanded it as the largest palace of the country. The palace features 700 rooms, 2,153 windows, 68 staircases and 2,000 acres of a beautiful garden. Nowadays, Palace of Versailles becomes foremost tourist attraction of the country. It is also used for hosting a number of political functions. Inside the palace, the rooms have a different size and styles varies from the rank of a person lived there. The Hall of a Mirror become the most important part of the palace to visit by the tourist, which diffuses the daylight. The garden in the Palace of the Versailles have the French style, included 2 lakh trees, more than 2 lakhs of flowers from various species and 50 fantastic fountains. Disneyland Paris. Disneyland Entertainment Resort opened in the central Paris in the year 1992. As of 2014, it has been visited more than 275 million times by the visitors. One of the most popular attractions in the Paris, Disneyland covers an area of 4,800 acres. It includes 2 theme parks, resort, shopping and entertainment sections. There are 57 rides, 62 shops, 5,800 hotel rooms and 55,463 employees in the 500 different sections. Upon the rides, Pirates of Caribbean ride became the most popular one. Attracted 6.7 million visitors in the year 2011. It is based on the huge successful Hollywood film Pirates of Caribbean starring Johnny Depp. The Small World, Space Mountain, Mission 2, Big Thunder Mountain and Buzz Lightyear Laser Blast. The Walt Disney Studio Park, opened in 2002, showcased movie-based rides behind technology of movies and movie-based business. The Disney Village offers the visitors a number of entertainment venues, restaurants and shopping experience. The Walt Disney Studio within the Disneyland of Paris showcase movie-based rides behind the scenes of a successful movies and show business. Eiffel Tower, Paris. One of the most recognizable landmark of Paris, it was opened in the year 1889 as an entrance arc to Universal Exposition or World's Fair. For the next 41 years, the Eiffel Tower stands as the tallest man-made structure in the world. Have a height of 320 meters. The construction of an Eiffel Tower started in 1887 and took 2 years to the completion. It was named after Gustave Eiffel, the French architecture in the head of the construction of an Eiffel Tower. Around 10,000 tons of an iron are used for the construction of Eiffel Tower. As the Eiffel Tower became globally popular structure, it reconstructed in the Nevada of United States and Tokyo. The tower repainted in every 7 years to protect it from corrosion. Demand 50 tons of paint. Tourists can access first 2 level of an Eiffel Tower. Can use staircase or a lift for it.